Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create custom paper size in publisher document. So let's start it. At first open your publisher document. In this video I will show create custom paper size. Now we can see then you show paper is the page. Now going to the page design option. Now click for a size. Now create custom paper size. Now going to the page setup option. Then we show page setup. Now edit and hide. Now page from a 12 and hide 15. Now click for OK. That is. Then issue create custom paper size in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.